Troubleshooting a leaking LG refrigerator. If your LG refrigerator is leaking water, we have several troubleshooting steps that can help you resolve the issue without a technician. Refrigerator leaks from the back, bottom, or front may be due to a water line that is either not connected properly or damaged. Pull the refrigerator away from the wall and inspect the water line connection in the back. Do you feel any moisture around the water line or fitting? Check the line where it inserts into the fitting. Only one black line marked around the tube should be visible. If you can see two lines marked on the tube, gently press the collet and push the water line into the fitting until only one line is partially visible. If the water line at the fitting is fine, check for damage such as cracks, splits, or kinks in the water lines that run along the back of the refrigerator. If the water lines are damaged, then the unit will require a repair service. Visit lg.com/us/support and go to the Request a Repair page. Turn off the home saddle valve to stop the leak until a technician can correct the issue. If your refrigerator is leaking from the dispenser, it could be due to air in the water lines, melting ice in the ice bin, or the dispenser lever being stuck. If the water consistently drips from the dispenser, try flushing out the air. Dispense 2 to 3 gallons of water, then see if the leak resumes. If your refrigerator has an ice maker in the door, check to see if the ice maker is on or off. If it has been turned off, the bucket must be emptied of all ice cubes or they will melt and leak out of the dispenser. If water or ice is continuously dispensing, the lever may be stuck in the pushed-in position. This is generally caused by residue buildup, such as that from a sugary drink splashed on the dispenser. To stop the dispensing, activate the lock by pressing and holding the lock button on the refrigerator control panel display. When the lock icon is illuminated, the dispenser and buttons will not operate when pressed. Pull out the dispenser lever and gently push in and release the lever or switch a few times quickly. Or rub left to right, back and forth, across the dispenser switch a few times quickly. Then clean the dispenser lever to remove anything that may cause it to stick. Use warm water and a mild detergent. Do not use water to wipe over the control panel. If the dispenser is still stuck, then the refrigerator will require a repair service. Turn off the home saddle valve, turn off the ice maker, and empty the ice bin. Keep the display locked until the repair service is completed. If the refrigerator is leaking from the water filter, this could be because a non-LG filter is being used, or the filter is not installed correctly. Use only genuine LG water filters, which can be purchased at lg.com/us/refrigerator filters. Be sure to follow the installation instructions with the LG filter or watch our video linked in the description. Please note that when removing the filter from the filter mount, you need to turn it counterclockwise, and when installing a new filter, you need to turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Do not pull out or push in the filter without first turning it, or the filter mount may be damaged. If you see water inside your French door refrigerator below the left door, check the dispenser water line behind the lower door cover. Remove the storage tray, then remove the tray mount by firmly lifting it up. Remove the lower door cover screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Squeeze your fingers underneath the door cover and pull it off. Then gently pull out the dispenser reservoir. Now inspect the water line where it inserts into the reservoir fitting. Only one black line marked around the tube should be visible. If you can see two lines marked on the tube, gently push the water line into the fitting until only one line is partially visible. Place the reservoir back into the chamber, then line up the tab on the left side of the door cover and push the cover into place. Reinstall the tray mount and storage tray. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.